Oh, what's up, brother? Another day in paradise, right?
You are moving. You're Steve. You're putting me to shame here, man.
No, you're killing it, bro. Half dome, cables down. It's where legends are born. Oh, I love that.
Here's the water bottle.
Thank you, brother.
All right, hey guys, Gordon, trail name Gandalf, from Hill to the Trail. Made it, half done with the cables down.
Half dome with the cables down. You're about to watch the raw and mostly uncut GoPro footage of myself and two members of the Hail to the Trail team successfully summiting Half Dome with the cables down. It was the perfect day to do it. You're going to see perfect blue skies, dry rock, and notice hardly any wind. It was also not too hot and not too cold. We could not have asked for better conditions. Now, this is not meant to be an instructional video. This is not going to give you a gear review or advise you of that. That is coming later. This video is to be a tool in your toolkit to help you visualize yourself successfully summiting Half Dome with the cables down. We have chapters down below broken into the ascent, us at the top, and the descent. Feel free to rewatch any section that you need. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. As I mentioned, this is uncut. There's going to be no voiceover and there's no music. So you might hear some colorful language on the way up there. I want you guys to be successful in your summit of Half Dome and be safe while doing so. This is not a hike for beginners. This is for those that are experienced and are physically fit enough to handle it. I want to wish you the very best of luck on your summit of Half Dome and enjoy an amazing trip to Yosemite National Park. It's a true gem. With that, I'm Gordon, trail name Gandalf. This is Hail to the Trail. I want you to keep exploring. Until next time, peace.
All right. You mind if I take a minute here?
No, take your time.
All right, cool.
You guys are fucking fabulous. That's our little stop. Yeah. All good, Gordon?
All good. All right. Sorry, brother.
No, no worries at all. Some sketchy shit. Take your time.
Yeah, man. Hey, that's the truth.
Oh, shit.
Good.
Yeah. Don't know what happened.
Mind if we pass you on the left? Yeah.
Are you hooked in?
Oh.
Me and then another person. Feel free to pass.
Gordon, we're passing.
All right, I'm gonna use your rest point. Ugh. Ugh.
All right. Take your time, man. I love this. I'm getting a kick out of this.
Yeah.
All right.
Ugh.
How's that rest spot?
Not bad, bro.
I'll take a spot, man, after you're done.
All right, yeah. It's a little bit better than that one. Just gotta rest the forearms.
It has. You use two hands and trust.
Trust in the knot.
Yeah, I definitely use two hands. Make sure your other one is locked. Then use two. I also kept my paper on me.
You crossing?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, shit. Oh, wait, there we go. Cool. Room on that rest point?
I would stay there, Gordon.
All right. Good. All right. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, what's up, brother?
What's up, man?
Another day in paradise, right? Getting out of your way right now. Want to have a chill with you a little bit?
You are moving. You're a beast, dude.
It's more motivation to get the fuck up, yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Whew. It's a lot of mass to move too, man. 215 pounds.
Yeah, you're putting me to shame here, man.
No, you're killing it, bro. Half dome, cables down. It's where legends are born.
Yeah, 100%.
I wish I would have brought water. Fuck. My pack was too heavy though.
Yeah, we're going down.
Things up.
Yeah.
Quick.
God.
Right, doggy. Oh, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You're not know that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm something here like I gotta put the
Oh,
video of this, man.
huh?
Getting the vlog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, fucking A. Chill spot, man. Fuck yeah. A lot of lactic acid buildup.
8 hours of hiking before this too.
Yeah.
I gotta do it all again.
Ah. Going down's easy. It's coming up.
I don't know about going on this.
Yeah? You going up or down?
I'm going up. So
Okay, cool.
everyone that I've talked to about going down there, like, yeah, it's something.
Well, my buddy, he's done Dower before.
It looked bad from like every angle until I got up close, and I'm like,
I want to talk to one
and
person
everyone's kind of
before
telling me,
going
like,
down.
you're good, you're good.
Oh,
I'll be a second.
Gordon,
yeah.
I'm letting go.
All right.
You have a channel?
You might have flip on the thing.
Yeah, no, go ahead, bro.
Oh, yeah. What's your YouTube, bro? I'll just wait for you. Or can I come down right now?
You guys want to come down? Or?
Yes, please.
I'm just chilling right here. Yeah.
I don't want to.
All right, here, let me,
Not tethered or
Can I
nothing.
clip it right there?
uh,
I'm like fully on. Unless
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
going up right now.
yeah, actually here. It's the hands
Yeah.
me. All right, the back. I got you.
The bus. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think we saw him.
You're locked, bro.
Yeah, you guys are good to go.
Oh,
If you
you
guys
said
have
we go
to, yeah,
fast.
sorry about that.
No, you're good.
All right.
We were doing the same thing coming
Yeah.
up.
I was waiting for my boy right here.
All right.
Yeah, that's what it's going.
How was it on the way down? Or how is it right now?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
You kind of just. It's way worse going up.
Really? Alright, that's good. Good to know.
That's what I figured.
I was hoping.
It's more just like a
I
little
don't want
scary.
to force out of your back pocket.
Say what, bro?
No, you're good.
Oh, cool. Oh, I love that.
Feel the bone.
Dude, lactic acid buildup is real.
Down. Get messed up. Man, this one. You know, people put
It looks like we're good to
get moving or you take the block in here. Hold on, Gordy. Hold on. Snap picture. One of the badass ones. There you go, man.
Hey, good, bro.
Hold on. Go, baby. Hold on. Put your thing up a little. There you go. Go, ready? Found it a little bit easier, like Dave does it between the legs.
Yeah. Whew. Fun, man.
Almost there. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Who's there?
Okay, you're brave soul.
Yeah. Ah.
Too bad, I really. No, like, hey, if there had nobody.
Ah. Shit. Ah.
What's that?
Ah.
Oh yeah. See up there.
Oh shit. Oh. Huh. I didn't realize. Still more to go.
We thought this was it too.
Fuck. That's crazy. It's more of a walk from here.
Wicked, just another hit. Cable's down.
Made it.
Made it. Yeah, brother.
Made it.
All right.
Where's the water bottle?
Thank you, brother.
Great. Almost as easy as with the cables up, right?
Yeah. If I wasn't sick, I could catch the air.
So how
Yeah.
fucking terrifying, huh?
Actually, not bad. Just
All right, hey guys. Gordon, trail named Gandalf from Hail to the Trail. Made it. Half done with the cables down. It was 3 of us. We went down from 6 to 3. We have Dave. We have Victor. His first real hike ever, and he made it to the top. Amazing time. We got some cool shots. Now to go back down and back down the stairs. Myself and Victor here. We're getting ready to head down the mountain again. See those people behind us. Cables down. The fun's going to be even more so. Allegedly, it's going to be easier. We'll have to wait and see. And then we make our way back and then on Wilding for dinner. We'll see you at the bottom.
Good. Ready? I'm ready.
Just
We're gonna do what again?
watch my hand.
Oh, no,
Oh no. That's gonna go straight.
no. It's saying like not to we gotta do it. Yeah, so one more day is the round there. But I'm still looking it up a big time. So, but you're actually you're not gonna actually.
Yeah, I'm like halfway on my way.
I see you. I got you. It's a little more.
Thank you.
It's easy to try. Let me see if it works. Pretty well.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
Right, you got baby on now. Tell Nadia to or Natalie to
Don't say Victor. All right, how we looking? You guys stopped?
We're good. We're solid. Baby right there. You good? We go like 5 miles an hour.
Okay.
Does it help if I raise it or you? Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Huh? Oh wow. Hey.
Oh, nice. All right. They're slowed up a little bit. Let's give them a minute. You guys good? Are you with the change? You guys clear? All right.
Recording.
Nice and easy.
Nice year. You okay?
Me? Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Good.
All right, little step right here. All right. I'm gonna take a.
Hold on, Gordon. We're gonna rest for 2 seconds.
All right. I will do the same.
Then it's pretty clear.
Is there a change point? Where's the next change?
Is that a beauty or this one?
No. It's there. I was like a high.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever stops on inside.
Ooh.
Ledge.
Ledge. Big ledge right there. Two ledges. How you guys doing? Oh, no one minds I'm rubbing my balls on the cable.
Preston? Yeah. Look, the cable's new since we yeah, they. Well, you need help. I could kind of. Yes.
Yeah?
Can you Yeah.
There you go.
That works? Yep. Awesome. Thank you. Kind of felt like we were on an island. There's gonna be Gordon another ledge. Yeah.
All right. I see it. You guys keep on going. I'm going at a pretty decent clip.
Yeah.
Don't look down, Victor.
Oh, I'm looking down.
All right. Well. Yeah. Ledge.
Another little lip. Yeah. We got this guy moving quick behind us. Quick moving. It's not too. You back you.
All right. All right.
Is that better for your ball?
Don't shift it. I'm riding it. Flip. Coming up.
No, this is spiky. Yeah, it's spiky. It's not You know, say it so this doesn't run into my fingers.
Hold on, Gordon.
Okay.
You're solid.
Is there a change point?
Yeah, it's coming out.
All right.
Yeah. It's the steepest part, and then it doesn't have any of the change thing. I think they should.
Yeah.
He's gonna go.
All right. I just need that lip available.
Crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. Could have been bad. Go. Could have been bad, man. Let's go. Reverse.
Oh shit.
Wait right here. Yeah.
Check from 45 to 60. Right?
I think we're this next after that lip. It's 45
Yeah.
for sure.
That's
But this is 60. I would say what I'm on right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
another minute.
Okay. Another minute after that last minute. Cool. Am I at the fucking DMV?
If I had time, I'd FaceTime.
I should call my girlfriend.
Doing or not. Doing or not. Safety first.
Yeah.
All right, man. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go, bro. You got this.
You guys have a good one.
Hey, you too. Have a good one and a safe one. All right, brother. You enjoy that hike.
You too.
Yeah.
You go. I had a friend coming into my lab. My hand. Coming up on it.